Bye, bud. See you later.
What's going on, you guys? I drove an hour out here to Plant City to go to the Strawberry Festival. My first time ever at this event. And guess what? It's raining. Got thunder and lightning in the area. Beautiful day out here, so let's see what happens. Try to have a fun time out here in the rain. I got an umbrella. Okay, let's go.
You're gonna want to get on right.
Welcome to the Fair and Delaware Fest. You can purchase your wristband with credit here. Midway Times PR. Take cash.
Elotes, corn in a cup. Those are tasty. This place makes their own taffy. I've actually heard good things about this donut place. It's called Peachy's. Peachy's Baking Company. I hear they're really good donuts. I think that's going to be the first thing I eat. I'm not super hungry, so I'm probably going to have to try something with strawberries apparently, but I'm going to try for a donut. Ooh, look at that lightning. So that's a good sized donut. Let's see how it eats. Yeah. That's good. That's a good donut.
Most commonly derived from petrochemicals. In other words, they're made out of plastic. Action fans, listen, I'm for it. I'm saying I love plastic surgery. Anything but the pilot break down. Thank you very much. I'm for
I'll wait for the executive to make that decision. Like a basket?
Oh, no, thank you.
I'm the only one getting food.
At least the rain has stopped for now. But there's still lightning in the area, so some of the bigger rides aren't running. There's so many food booths here. They just keep going. This crazy amount of food booths. Just fried crap on a stick. So good, though. So here it is, the star of the show. The main event of the Strawberry Festival, the Strawberry Shortcake. St. Clement Catholic Church, make your own strawberry shortcake for $6 donation. Hello.
Hi. Number one over here. You enjoy. You're welcome.
Hello.
What was it like? Kangaroo
Let's go with cake, please.
Halloween Horror Nights. My kids already always want to go.
Best time of year.
Oh my, I can't do it. I cannot do it.
Thank you.
Maybe I'm too old for that.
No, 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 no.
Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Then you begin making your way to the GT brand.
That's a delicious strawberry shortcake. Good job, everyone. Tanhulu. I got the very best today. It's like fruit with hardened candy, or dipped in hot boiling candy, I guess, and then hardened in ice water. Tastes like fruit with hardened sugar on it. You remember Jimmy Spivey? He developed poison ivy. The Bellamy Brothers are playing live in this amphitheater over here right now. I think it's a separate ticketed event. So I saw this, the Lost and Found Caboose, and I immediately thought maybe it had disappeared and was found again. There was a cool story or something, but no, it's literally just where you go if you lost something. It's lost and found. It's not that exciting. What the hell is a Tennessee chicken? I grew up in Tennessee. I didn't know we had special chickens. Let me go see. I asked the dude. He said he thinks it's just Nashville hot chicken. Okay. I'll let him have it. Fried gator. He was a gator boy. He said, see you later, boy. Gator used to be pretty popular up in Tennessee when the Gators would come into town to play the Vols. I don't think I've ever had it myself, honestly. I think that's going to do it for me here at the Strawberry Festival. It was a fun time. I really enjoyed this. The rain's just awful, and there's still lightning, so I think I'm done. If you made it this far, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. See ya.